Hey guys, it's the girl Isra, aka Is Always Glowing. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a PR unboxing, so let's get straight into it. This week was actually a really good week, so as you guys can see, I've got a few parcels to unbox, so let's get straight into it. First, we have this package from Revolution Skin. Say hello to a new SPF bestie. So this is their new SPF. They have two versions, Sunray Blur SPF 50 and Sunray Glow. So Sunray Blur will be perfect for people that have oily skin because it reduces the appearance of pores, whereas Sunray Glow is glow boosting with subtle shimmers. They both have a 3-in-1 formula which protects, primes and moisturizes the skin. If you watch my previous unboxing, you would know that anytime you see a red envelope, you know that's from Rimmel London. And they've sent me their Butter Me Up balms. These are honestly so hydrating. Shade Bubblegum has to be my fave. Next, we have a parcel from Bioma, which is their new barrier boosting sunscreen. In my last video, I did talk about how much I'm loving their milky toner and their glow serum. I've actually noticed a difference in my skin, so I'm super excited to try out this SPF. Next, we have a parcel from the INKEY list, and they're actually one of my favorite skincare brands ever. I love their hyaluronic acid. It's actually a staple in my routine, so thank you so much for this top up. And oh my gosh, how cute is this headband? Oh, it says your overpriced serum's worst nightmare. I wonder what brand they're indirecting. What skincare beef is going on here, INKEY list? If you guys know who they're talking about, let me know in the comments. Anyways, if you haven't tried their hyaluronic acid, this is your sign too. Next, we have another parcel from the INKEY list, and how incredible is this package? Oh my gosh, now I'm actually obsessed with this cereal box. I love the word search. Let me know how many words you found. So introducing their new hydrating cream to milk cleanser. I haven't actually used a cleanser like this before, so I'm very excited to try this out. It's very unique. Next is a very exciting parcel. I still can't believe I'm on their PR list, and it's from MORPHE, and it's their new Sudden Heat creamy bronzer stick. So it says it's luxe gliding, goes on smoothly, melts in seamlessly, soft matte undertone, complementary hues, adds warmth and dimension in 5 richly pigmented shades. Ooh, it says that it won't cake, crease or fade. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a wear test. So as I mentioned, there are 5 shades. Just for reference, in the video I'll show you guys the shades Spark and Smolder. Then lastly, we have this package from L'Oreal. It feels heavy, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh, how incredible is this package? So L'Oreal have sent over your summer essentials. So they have sent a collection of essentials to keep your skin protected and glowing through the months ahead. I haven't actually tried out any skincare from L'Oreal, so I'm very excited to try these out. I love using the Lumi Glotion underneath my foundation. It gives you the perfect glowy dewy finish. And you've probably seen a telescopic mascara everywhere, and there's a reason for that. This mascara is amazing. Their Infallible Setting Mist is also one of my favorites, so thank you so much for the top up. I just want to say a quick thank you to all the brands that send me these amazing parcels, and a big thank you to all of you who support me. I honestly appreciate all of you. So I think out of all the parcels that I received, I think this is my favorite. I think this is the one that I'm most excited to try. I do love them all, and I'm so grateful for them. So thank you so much to all the brands that send me these amazing parcels. Thank you so much to all of you who support me, because without you guys, like, all of this stuff wouldn't be possible. So shout out to you guys. And we are done. So that was all the PR I received this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know in the comments what content you would like to see from me next. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.